Starting a career in software engineering can be challenging, especially as a fresher. It's this whole new world, kind of like unboxing a new gadget for the first time. But instead of cool features, you've got algorithms, data structures, and a whole bunch of languages to learn. But don't worry, we've got you covered. Think of this video as your quick setup guide, your walkthrough of the essentials. We'll break down the key steps to help you get started on the right foot and build a foundation that's strong, efficient, and ready to handle anything the tech world throws at it. First things first, you gotta speak the language, and I'm not talking about Spanish or Mandarin, I'm talking code. Java, Python, C++, JavaScript, these are your heavy hitters. Pick one or maybe two and really dive deep. Think of it like mastering your main camera. You gotta know it inside and out, but it's not just about knowing the syntax, it's about understanding the why, the how, the when. Data structures and algorithms, those are your lenses, your filters. They change how you see and manipulate information. Practice on platforms like LeetCode, HackerRank, CodeSignal. These are your proving grounds, your chance to sharpen your skills against real-world challenges. Now it's time to build something real, something tangible. Think of it like your highlight reel, the projects that make you stand out from the crowd. Start small, maybe a simple to-do list app, a weather app, anything to get your hands dirty. As you gain confidence, crank up the complexity, a portfolio website, a game, maybe even a full-blown web application. And where do you show off these masterpieces? GitHub, your online gallery. Keep your code clean, well-documented, organized, basically. Make it something you'd be proud to show off. Every great app needs a brain, a place to store and retrieve information. That's where databases come in. SQL, MySQL, PostgreSQL. These are your go-tos. And don't sleep on NoSQL databases like MongoDB. They're like the cool, versatile cousins. Now, even if you're not aiming to be a full-stack developer, knowing your way around the web is crucial. HTML, CSS, JavaScript, these are the building blocks of the internet, the front end that users interact with. Think of it like designing the UI of your app, making it intuitive and visually appealing. We're going deeper now under the hood into the engine room of software engineering, operating systems, the foundation on which everything runs. Memory management, multi-threading, file handling, these are the core concepts that separate the casual user from the power user. And then there's networking, the glue that holds everything together. IP addresses, HTTP, HTTPS, client-server architecture. These are the protocols that allow your applications to communicate with the world. Master these fundamentals and you'll be well on your way to building robust, scalable systems. In the world of software development, collaboration is key, and that's where Git comes in. Your version control system, your time machine, your safety net. Imagine being able to track every change, every iteration of your code, and revert back to any point in time. That's the power of Git. Master the basics. Cloning repositories, branching, merging. These are your everyday tools. With Git, you can work seamlessly with others, experiment freely, and always have a safety net to catch you if things go wrong. The interview, it's the final boss battle, the ultimate test of your skills, but don't worry, we're here to help you train. Data structures and algorithms, remember those lenses and filters? They're your weapons of choice in the interview arena. Practice, practice, practice on platforms like LeetCode, HackerRank, and CodeSignal. And for the ultimate training montage, try mock interviews on sites like Pramp or interviewing.io. Get comfortable explaining your thought process, breaking down complex problems into manageable chunks. Remember, it's not just about finding the right answer, it's about demonstrating your problem-solving skills. Chapter 7. Problem-solving and system design. Think big picture. Now it's time to zoom out, to see the forest for the trees. System design is about understanding the big picture, how all the components fit together to create a seamless user experience. Scalability, load balancing, caching, these are the buzzwords, the concepts that separate the good from the great. Think about real-world scenarios, how your applications will be used by thousands, millions of users. Apply your logic, your creativity to design systems that are robust, efficient, and future-proof. Chapter 8. Soft skills, the human element. Here's the thing, it's not all about the code. Soft skills, those interpersonal skills that make you a pleasure to work with, they matter just as much. Practice articulating your thought process clearly and concisely. Highlight experiences that demonstrate teamwork, communication, and leadership. The STAR method: situation, task, action, result. It's your secret weapon for structuring compelling answers to behavioral questions. Remember, you're not just selling your technical skills, you're selling yourself. Chapter 9. Never stop learning. The tech world moves fast. The world of software engineering is constantly evolving, always pushing the boundaries. What's cutting edge today might be obsolete tomorrow. That's why it's crucial to cultivate a mindset of continuous learning. Platforms like Coursera, edX, Udacity, they're your online universities, offering courses and certifications to keep your skills sharp. Follow tech blogs, engage in online communities like GitHub and Stack Overflow, and stay ahead of the curve on the latest trends and tools. Chapter 10. Networking and job applications. Put yourself out there. All right, you've got the skills, you've got the knowledge, now it's time to get yourself out there. LinkedIn, your online resume, your networking hub. Connect with other professionals, join relevant groups, follow companies you admire. And don't be afraid to reach out, to start conversations, to build relationships. Job portals like LinkedIn, Indeed, AngelList, these are your hunting grounds. Tailor your resume and cover letter to each specific role, highlighting your skills and experiences that align with their requirements. Internships and open source gain real-world experience. There's no substitute for real-world experience, and internships are the perfect way to gain it. It's your chance to work on real projects, to learn from industry veterans, to see how everything you've learned translates into a professional setting. And if you're looking for a way to build your portfolio and contribute to something meaningful, look no further than open source projects on GitHub. It's your opportunity to collaborate with other developers, to work on projects with real-world impact, and to showcase your skills to potential employers. Outro, level up your future. You got this. So there you have it, your roadmap to a successful career in software engineering. It might seem daunting at first, but remember, every expert was once a beginner. The key is to break down the journey into manageable steps, to focus on continuous learning, and to never be afraid to ask for help. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to starting a successful career in software engineering. So go out there, build something amazing, and never stop exploring the limitless possibilities of the tech world.